I'm going to wake up on the 22nd of December, and it's going to be winter. It's going to snow. It might be a nuclear snow, a nuclear winter. It might be the good old fluffy stuff you can eat relatively safely.
I'm counting on it being very bad.
If it ends, I'm gonna have to go home because I can't call anybody because everyone's gonna use a cell phone. And then say hi to my mom and then grab as many guns as I can and go kill zombies. Otherwise, we'll have a pretty cool website.
It'll definitely happen because eventually this sun will stop working.
Yeah, this website is just it's gonna be good, but I mean, there's so many cockroaches. I mean, you can't stop killing the cockroaches. They're everywhere. I mean, it's not even the end of the world yet, and there's cockroaches everywhere.
I don't base a lot on the Mayans.
The real question is, what would Kid Rock do? Rebel Soul out in stores now.